Hy-Vee does it best when it comes to finding the freshest produce. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a registered dietitian at Hy-Vee. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make an easy summer salad using one of my favorite summer fruits, peaches. And not just any peach, today I'm using Hy-Vee's Ripe and Ready brand. So let's get started. You'll need 1 head of butter leaf lettuce and baby spinach to boost the vitamin K and the iron. Next, I'll add in my tub of burrata cheese. And then I'm using 2 Hy-Vee Ripe and Ready peaches. I'm leaving the skins on the peaches to help add in a little more fiber and really add in some color and fresh flavors of summer. For a little extra flavor and color, I'm adding in 2/3 cup of mixed tomatoes, and we'll set aside. Now we'll make the vinaigrette. So we'll start with 2 tablespoons of white balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice with a little zest added in, and 1 teaspoon of honey. We'll add in next our 1/3 cup of olive oil and just give it a nice whisk. Lightly drizzle, according to your preference, over the entire thing, and I like to save a little extra for the end. And last, I'll add some crushed red pepper for a little extra heat and color. Find this recipe in the latest edition of Hy-Vee Seasons magazine and on Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.